In the next 90 seconds, I'll share with you the top 5 ways in which AVFolds Origami Wallets is legitimately the #1 most sustainable leather wallet brand we can be. Number 1, AVFolds are built for life. Without plastic stitching, the ForeverFold is a more durable leather wallet and guaranteed for life to never let you down. 2, AVFolds uses wild harvested leather. The factory farming of leather pollutes rivers and streams with antibiotics, fertilizers, and pesticides, and requires the clearing of land for grazing and growing feed. Whereas the harvest of leather from overabundant animals in the wild is actually restorative to their ecosystems. That's one of the reasons that AVFolds uses only wild harvested kangaroo leather to make the ForeverFold. 3, AVFolds is carbon neutral. We plant trees to offset the carbon we use to make the ForeverFold and deliver it to your door. 4, AVFolds uses only vegetable tan leather. A staggering 90% of leather today is tanned with an environmental toxin called chromium, which permanently despoils land and waterways where the leather is tanned. AVFolds uses only vegetable tanned leather, tanned without chromium, to make a cleaner, stronger, and more sustainably produced leather wallet. And 5, the ForeverFold is plastic free. Most leather wallets are literally bound to fail by plastic stitching. AVFolds Origami Wallets and their packaging are entirely plastic free. That's 5 ways in which AVFolds Origami Wallets is legitimately the #1 most sustainable leather wallet brand we can be. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to support eco-friendly leather wallets. Click this thumbnail for the 3 reasons why the strongest leather wallet is folded only from wild harvested kangaroo leather. To join the fold and carry the ForeverFold, click the 15% off sale link in the description below.